Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine in details because I have made my morning skincare routine. I was very brief over there and I asked you, do you want a brief routine or you want me to go in details about my routine? And you said yes, you want to see me talking about more about my skincare routine, so here it goes. So first I'm going to remove my lip tint with a micellar water. Many people have asked me that why I don't use cleansing balm or cleansing oil, simply because my skin likes micellar water more, as simple as that. And I'm using this Bioderma micellar water. Sometimes I use this as my first cleanser for when I use makeup, sunscreen. It works, it does the job. So this is the micellar water and I'm just wearing moisturizer right now on my face and lip tint like I told you. I'm wearing Etude House lip tint. This is very stubborn, it doesn't come off. I mean, it leaves behind the tint. It stays for like 1 day, 2 days. I don't know if it's good or not, like for it to stay for such a long time, but I like this very much. See, I tried to remove this with cleansing oil as well, but doesn't work. Stays like anything. Alright, now I'm gonna clean my face with a gentle cleanser, and my favorite cleansers are Neutrogena gentle cleanser, then Moist cleanser. Now I'm using this Vilvah cleanser. Even Sugandha centella face wash is very good. There are other many good cleansers as well. I'm gonna make a video about top 5 cleansers to use during winter very soon because I have very good options. Alright, I'm gonna use this cleanser right now, and before using this I'm gonna wet my skin. And I use fermented water to rinse my skin. It's not going to suit everyone, like I always tell you, because many people have tried fermented rice water, their eyes burn, they got skin irritation. So if it suits you, use that. Doesn't suit you, don't use it. But for me, fermented rice water works very fine, and I have made a detailed video why I use it, how I use it. So I'm going to leave the link down below of the video. So let's start. Now I'm going to concentrate on cleansing my skin. I'm not going to talk much because I need to concentrate when I do my skincare. I tell my husband, don't talk to me when I'm doing my skincare because I really need to concentrate. I have been asked what is my monthly skincare routine, weekly skincare routine. I don't have such routine, to be very honest. Weekly I just use one face mask if I want to, and monthly basis I think I shave my face. I have made a video about it. So yeah, these are the two things I do, weekly and monthly basis. That's all, I don't do much. And for face packs, I like licorice and yogurt, that works for me. I like Innisfree face mask. Recently I have tried one bentonite clay mask that worked for me. So yeah, these are the things I do. If you want me to talk more about my face mask, face pack, let me know. I'm gonna talk about this. I'm gonna make a video about this in details. So let's start. So now I'm using fermented rice water, and before using any cleanser I just massage my skin for a while because it helps to remove the dirt and makes the job easier for a cleanser to remove the dirt and sunscreen. I would say take some time, be gentle to your skin when you are cleansing your skin because it is very important. Cleansing is a very important part. You gotta be gentle, but you gotta be effective as well. So it takes sweet 30 to 60 seconds to clean your skin. Make sure you get rid of the cleanser off your skin. It's very important. You won't want surfactants to stay on your skin. So here I go again. I'm gonna rinse my face carefully so there remains no trace of the cleanser. After that I'm gonna use a cotton handkerchief to wipe my face, and I use a clean handkerchief every day. Okay, I'm done with cleansing my skin. Now I'm gonna move to hydration. For that I use this essence. This is Niacin essence from Purito. It contains fermented ingredients and 5% niacinamide, and I really like this. I stopped using this for a while because it has whitening claim written on the packaging. No, this niacinamide cannot whiten your skin, and whitening your skin shouldn't be your goal. But I learned they're working on removing this thing from the packaging. I hope they do that because it doesn't give you a good look. you say your brand is very ethical and this and that, then you go on and promote skin whitening. This is not cool. But this product has been working very well on my skin. The ingredients are very good. I'll give that to them. And niacinamide is my favorite ingredient, if you know that. Even fermented ingredients work very well on my skin, but if you have fungal acne, might be a trigger, because not all of us fermented ingredients trigger acne, fungal acne. There are many reasons. So do a batch taste. Okay, I have to move on quickly. Now I had this serum, and people ask me how long I take between the application of these products. I take maximum 1 to 2 minutes. For chemical exfoliant I used to take like 30 minutes because it works that way, but I realized that is making my skin dry, so I take now 3 to 5 minutes. I know it might make those chemical exfoliants less effective on my skin, but I cannot help it because my skin feels dry if I wait for too long. So this is what it is. 2 pumps. And yes, this is centella serum from Purito. I love this serum very much. It was out of stock for a long time, then they brought it back on Beauty One. I was so happy. I learned it from you. Thank you for letting me know. And this is almost always out of stock. It has 2% niacinamide, then 49% centella, other good ingredients. It has amino acid. Today I'm not gonna use chemical exfoliants. I use BHA once in a week and AHA once or twice in a week, and today is not the day. It depends on what your skin likes, what your skin wants on a particular day. And look, my pigmentation has reduced a lot. I'm gonna make a video about it very soon because I'm so happy, because I had pigmentation here and there. I was getting breakouts. Now my skin is fine. And yeah, you have asked why don't I use arbutin right now, because my pigmentation is almost gone and I'm trying to reduce the amount of actives in my skincare routine, so I'm not using arbutin right now. But it worked really well on my skin and I do recommend it if it suits your skin, because it worked really well on my pigmentation. Now I'm just letting niacinamide to do its job, but arbutin was good. Sorry. So yeah, I have another serum right now, that is Clay's Fundamental Drops. This is another good hydrating serum. Actually I used this first, then I used Purito serum. I forgot today. This is hydrating. It has peptides, green tea, antioxidants and hydration combined. Did I show you the product? Sorry, I forgot. I can be very messy because when I'm doing my skincare I really concentrate on what I do, so I don't talk. Now I'm gonna move to moisturizer. This is Cosrx Rice Pack, Sleeping Pack. I love this, but this is also almost always out of stock. I also like Physiogel AI cream, then Echo Oat moisturizer, minimalist moisturizer. I have made a video on 30 moisturizers very recently, and I'm going to leave the link down below so you have more options. I try to use fragrance-free products because they work for me. I have seen significant change, or I would say improvement, since I started using fragrance-free skincare, and it just works for me. Especially leave-on products, I make sure these are fragrance-free. Okay, I'm done with moisturizer. Now I have this Shea Butter. Okay, I need to show you this one. This is Avene D-Pigmented ointment. You can use this on your pigmentation. It has retinol I think, but it has one thing, red dye, which I don't like, but it has been working well on my skin. So I take this amount, little tiny amount of this product. I apply this here because my pigmentation dark spots were here, and this is working well. When my skin gets irritated, I use Cica cream. My favorite is Bioderma Cica Bio. This is a new product that I have started using, D-Pigment. So far so good, but few ingredients I find to be problematic, but okay, I'm okay with that. I want to start with Retinol Vitamin A basically. So I saw it has a form of vitamin A, so I started using this one. and I apply this on my moisturizer because vitamin A can be very strong, can cause purging, so I want to take it gently. So I'm doing this. Okay, now I have this Shea Butter. I use this as what is it, lip on my lips, and sometimes when my skin feels dry I use it all over my face as well. So today my skin is okay, not that dry. On my eyebrows as well, I have seen improvement. Even I have been using castor oil on and off for years for my eyelashes and brows. It worked. I didn't see any drastic result, but over time it works. So there you have it, my skincare routine. Now I'm gonna leave out few extra tips for you. If you don't know by now, I use moisturizer several times in a day. I keep on reapplying it because my skin is dry. Sometimes I use squalane as well as the last step of my skincare. Works well for me, but now I'm not using it because I'm trying to minimize my skincare routine. Sunscreen is a must for me if I'm stepping out. My room is a cave, so I don't apply sunscreen inside. For sudden acne, pimple patch worked really well for my skin. I have tried this recently. Then salicylic acid also works for dark spots. Arbutin niacinamide works for me. And green tea face mask is my favorite. I make matcha green tea face mask, my absolute favorite. Even I like licorice and yogurt face mask. I say no to essential oils. Silk pillow covers are working fine for me. You can use satin pillow cover as well. I have noticed positive improvement for my hair and skin. So gel based products work fine for my under eyes. I don't use any particular under eye product, but gel based things work really well. So that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.